Good day everyone. For today's video, we were going to tackle about the problem solving involving compound interest. Let us know first what is compound interest. In math, compound interest can be calculated in different ways for different situations. We can use the interest formula of compound interest to ease the calculations. To calculate compound interest, we need to know the amount and principal. It is the difference between amount and principal. Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal sum of a loan or deposit, or in other words, interest on principal plus interest. So, this is the formulas of compound interest, and I will give you two problems to solve. Problem number 1. On Adding's 20th birthday, her father deposited 90,000 in her savings account, paying 1.5% every month. Find the value of her savings when she reached the age of 30. So RP is 90,000, which is the present value, and the T is 10 years, which is the time term, and the R is 1.5% or 0.015, which is the rate interest, and RM is 12, which is the number payment per year. And the N is equal to 120, which is T times M. So let's solve for F, which is the maturity interest or compound. So this is the formula. F is equal to P, open parentheses, 1 plus R over M, close parentheses, to the power of N. So F is equal to P, which is the 90,000, open parentheses, 1 plus 0.015, which is the R, over the 12, which is the M, close parentheses, to the power of N, which is the 120. So if you solve it, it will equal to F is equal to 104.555. So that is the final answer. And let's proceed to the problem number 2. Find out the final amount and interest if 11,000 is invested at 20% compounded quarterly for 8 years. So our P is 11,000, which is the present value. Our time term is 80 years. Our rate interest is 20% or 0.20. Our number payment per year is 4 or quarterly. And RN is quarterly or M times T. M times T, which is 4 times 8, is equal to 32. So that would be Rn. So let's solve for F, which is the maturity interest, and the I, which is the compound interest. For the F, which is the maturity interest, the formula is F is equal to P, open parentheses, 1 plus R over M, close parentheses, to the power of N. F is equal to 11,000, which is the P, open parentheses, 1 plus 0.20, which is the R, over 4, which is the M, close parentheses, to the power of 32, which is the N. So, when we solve it in a cycle or even in a notebook, the total of it is 52,414.3. That would be equal to our F, which is the maturity interest. So let's find out the compound interest. So I is equal to F minus P. So I is the compound interest and the F is the maturity interest minus present value. So RF or maturity interest is equal to 52,414.3 minus the P, which is the 11,000. So the equal of it is equal to I is equal to 513.143. So that would be all, everyone. See you next time and thank you for watching.